In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and update your email signature in Zoho Mail. Having a well-designed email signature can make your emails look more professional. It's like your virtual business card, and I'm here to guide you through the process of setting it up seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to log into Zoho Mail. Open your browser and go to mail.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox front and center. Now, head over to your settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find all the customizable features Zoho Mail has to offer. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to click on View All Settings to get to the comprehensive settings menu. In this settings section, you'll see a variety of options listed on the left-hand side. We're focusing on creating or editing your email signature, so go ahead and click on Mail and then Signatures. This is where you can manage all your current signatures or add new ones. Once you're in the signature settings area, you have a couple of choices. If you already have a signature that you want to update, simply click on that existing signature to make your edits. The editor in Zoho is quite user-friendly, allowing you to modify text, change fonts, and adjust colors to match your personal or business brand. You can also add images or logos, giving it a more personalized touch. If you need to include links, like your website or social media profiles, the editor makes it easy to insert them. If you're starting from scratch and want to create a new signature, just click on the plus Add Signature button. This will give you a blank canvas to design your new signature. Be thoughtful about how you lay out your contact information and any additional content. Keeping it concise yet informative works best. After you've edited or created your signature, you'll want to assign it to the appropriate email address. Under the Associate With section, you can choose the email address or addresses that should use this specific signature. This is quite helpful if you manage multiple accounts or need different signatures for different purposes. The final step is crucial. Don't forget it. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks and you've assigned it to the right email addresses, make sure to click the Update button in the top right corner. This action will save all your hard work and ensure your new or revised signature is ready to be used in your future emails. And there you have it. You've successfully set up or updated your email signature in Zoho Mail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you create a signature that truly represents you or your brand.